This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Tucson battery. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Please gather your essential tools, such as a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety glasses. Always wear protective gear, including gloves and eye protection, throughout the process. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to ensure maximum safety for everyone involved. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. First, locate your battery, which is usually under the hood on the passenger side of your Hyundai Tucson. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a crucial step to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. After that, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Finally, gently remove any battery hold-down clamps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush. This ensures optimal electrical contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully place your new battery securely into the clean tray, making sure it sits snugly. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Tighten both connections firmly to prevent any loose contacts. You're almost done. For your final checks, double-check all battery connections to ensure they are tight and completely secure. A loose connection can cause issues. To extend your new battery's life and prevent corrosion, apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Lastly, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. This is important for environmental protection and responsible waste management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.